Hey everyone, I came into Exclusive Tech Repairs. My son's phone, he had broken the screen the second time. It made it look like brand new.
Man, shout out my boy Jose. I went to Apple like 6 days ago, last Thursday. Phone, woke up, the phone was pitch black, never dropped it, never broke a screen, nothing. They're like, oh yeah, the phone can't work anymore, the battery is corroded. Had to buy a new phone, ended up getting a 15. They worked it. Brought it to Jose, in less than 10 minutes, he's like, yo, your battery's not corroded. It's the facial recognition. I just had to unplug everything and plug it back in. Facial recognition is working, battery's working, fully charged. Got a warranty on it too, so if anything happens, I can come back. He's the best. Don't go to Apple, come here.
Hey, you guys.
Hi, everybody. Today's my birthday. I was born June 7th, 1949.
There you go.
I'm 75 years old,
Wow.
young today,
There you go.
and I'm happy, and life was wonderful.
And what did I do for you today?
You gave me a wonderful new cover for my phone that I could break and come back all over again.
There you go.
Stay happy, be good, believe in God, and pray that the world stays where it is.
Amen. What's up, you guys? I'm here with my grandma. She's 90 years old. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Where are
I'm
you
here
at?
to tell you how wonderful he is. He transferred all my data from my old phone onto my new phone so that my iPhone is just chugging along. It's wonderful. He's terrific. And the old phone, he fixed it for me.
Oh, yeah?
How about that?
What was wrong with it?
I overcharged. I went to sleep with the charger.
I got you. Yeah, I basically got her a new battery, you guys, and she's back to going. All right, say bye.
Bye.
It's Joshua Herrera, came to Exclusive Tech Repair, get my phone fixed. Recently dropped it, got water damage. My boy did me right. Told me what's the problem, did my diagnostic, got it right within 1 hour. Went to the last guy, 6 hours, he didn't even figure it out. So all I have to say is, this man did my job, he did it right. Y'all better come get your phones fixed. Anything else, he got you.
Hey man, you did good with my laptop, getting my Word, Windows and everything set up. So proud of it, I'm so happy.